Hello and welcome to Pregnancy Info. Today we are going to discuss how to shape the baby's head, forehead, nose and upper lip shape. A baby's head can be easily given any shape. Even many new little ones have slightly uneven head shapes. Due to this reason, many parents worry about how to make baby head round shape. In this video, you will understand why the baby head shape is different and how to make baby head round. Reasons for different baby head shapes. If you are wondering how to make baby head a round shape, you must be aware of the reasons that lead to flatness in the head. There are several reasons why a baby's head has a different shape than round. Sometimes it happens while the baby is through the birth canal. The difference in the head shape is the result of pressure on the back of the head of a baby when he lies on his neck. The skull bones on the baby's head are not ground well. This is also the reason why it is very easy to mold a baby head. Even if a baby is lying in the same position for a longer duration, it can result in positional plagiocephaly. The change in the head shape is easy to notice when you are looking for your baby's head from the above. The major point to notice is that if you find that your little one's ear is looking pushed forward or not. If the answer is yes, it means your baby's head is flatter. Some disorders we will discuss here. There are three kinds of disorders or the change in shape. Number 1. Plagiocephaly. Plagiocephaly, also known as the flathead syndrome, is a condition characterized by an asymmetrical distortion or flattening of one side of the skull. Number 2. Brachycephaly. Brachycephaly is the shape of a skull shorter than typical for its species. It is perceived as a desirable trait in some domesticated dog and cat breeds. Number 3. Dolichocephaly. Dolichocephaly is a condition where the head is longer than would be expected relative to its width. In humans, scephocephaly is the form of dolichocephaly. The question is that is flatter baby head shape is a reason to be worried or a cause for worry. Generally, a flat head doesn't damage the brain or interfere with the baby's development. However, certainly you should keep in mind that if you spend the majority of your time worrying about your baby's head shape, you may end up missing a lot of fun. Just a little control in the neck movements and pressure will sort out your problems, so do not worry unnecessarily. How to shape baby head or baby head round shape tip. First of all, your child's doctor will surely do a physical exam to know why uneven baby head shape, and if you follow this simple change of position, it can reduce the baby flatness to a large extent. So here the baby head round shape tip. Number 1. Changing direction within the crib. However you place your baby in a crib or on a bed to sleep, keep on changing your baby's position. One day, keep the baby's head near the foot of the crib, while on the other hand, place it in the head of a crib. Change in the view of the baby within the crib can also increase visual stimulation. Hold your baby. Holding your baby when he or she is not sleeping will help him relieve pressure from his head. So try some swings, carriers and infant seats so that your baby can relax properly. Moreover, when you hold up the baby in an upright position, it also offers inevitable bonding chances. Moreover, you can also use carrier strap onto your chest so that you can hold your baby upright. Try tummy time. Frequently place your baby on his tummy to play under close supervision, but don't forget to make sure that the surface is firm and soft. This activity will give you a quick answer to your very common question of how to shape a baby head. Moreover, it is not only prevents flat heads but also helps in motor development. It helps babies to strengthen the muscles of the neck, arm and shoulder. Add a variety to baby's back time. The addition of pillows cushions can make head movement a bit more difficult and limit muscle development around the head and neck area. To make sure that your baby should sleep flat on their backs but make sure to supervise the baby consistently so that he faces no issues. Vary your baby's activity throughout the day. This is one of the best baby head round shape tips. Never leave your baby in the same location for a longer duration of time. Moving your little one around to new locations and new positions frequently help to engage various senses, thus helping in rapid infant development. Baby head shape pillow and helmet. Suppose you notice that your baby's head shape is not improving despite repositioning till the age of 6 months. In that case, it can turn to a severe deformity if not taken one strong action. To prevent any case of deformity, doctors prescribe the use of the baby head shape pillow for helmets, which can easily mold your baby's head shape. A baby's head shape pillow is very soft and avoids any further molding of the head. However, molded helmets are the most effective in the treatment beginning between 4 and 12 months. During this age, the baby's skull is still malleable and the brain is growing at a rapid rate. But if you start the treatment after the age of 1 year, in that case, molded helmet as well as baby head shape pillow will not be effective or the fruitful results you will find. You can use a straight plate instead of molding head pillow, or you may also use a piece of cloth which is tied at 2 points near the neck. It will help your baby to not move his head right and left without your permission. So use these tips for making the head of your baby. Now we will discuss that how can we shape the nose of a baby. The shape of your baby's nose is already decided by her genes. Pinching, pulling or massaging the nose will not change how it looks. Instead, you could hurt your baby and make her uncomfortable. Your baby's nose is one of the first features to start forming. It starts taking shape by around 7 to 8 weeks of pregnancy towards the end of your pregnancy. Most of the basic elements of nose are formed but not completely. Just like the head, your baby's nose also tends to get a bit squashed or flattened as the outcome through his birth canal. So it's quite normal for newborns to have a flatter or rounded nose. For that purpose, you just slightly pinch your baby's nose like in this video. Apply soft hands and try to do it 3 times a day. Like that, you can also make the shape of your upper lip of your baby. If your upper lip is like a cleft lip, or you feel that the upper lip is slightly higher than the lower, then apply mild pressure on both sides of your baby's upper lip by your thumbs as shown in this video. All these tips will change the shapes of your baby's general features slightly, but overall, the shapes and features are according to the genes. So, hope I have explained that how can you mold some bit of your features, of your baby's features at home. Other than that, you can also use the physiotherapy for that, and for the severe case, you can go to doctor and he'll give you best suggestions for that. If you find this video useful, then like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family members who have the little ones below 1 year old. Thank you.